Hello and welcome to this video, where I will teach you how to install RetroArch app on iOS without any jailbreak. RetroArch is a fantastic app that lets you play classic games on your phone, but it can be hard to install. That's why I will show you a simple and quick way to get it working on your device in just a few minutes. Look, I have it on my iPhone, and it runs perfectly fine. And the best part is that this app works on almost every iOS version, even the latest iOS 17. If you want to learn how to get RetroArch on your phone, stay tuned and watch this video. Before you can use this method, there are some settings you need to change. These settings apply only for iOS devices. If you are on an Android device, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. First, enable Background App Refresh by going to General and choosing it on Wi-Fi or on Wi-Fi and mobile data. Second, turn off Battery Saver Mode because it can mess up the app. Make sure you do these 2 steps before moving on. Now you are all set to install the emulator. What you need to do next is open your internet browser on your device and go to the website called injectelite.com. This website has many modded apps and games that can give you amazing features. Once you are on the website, search for RetroArch and click on it. You will see a page with some information about the app and a button that says Start Injection. Click on that button and wait for a few seconds. The website will start injecting the mod into your device, and this process might take some time, depending on your internet speed and device performance. After some time, you will see a message that says, Injection completed. This means that the app has been successfully injected into your device, and you are done. However, there might be one more step that you need to complete before you can finish the installation. This step might vary depending on your device model and operating system, but it usually involves downloading some additional files. Don't worry, this step is very easy and quick, and there will be a tutorial on how to do it on the website. Just follow the instructions on the screen and complete this step as soon as possible. So, that's how you can install RetroArch on your phone in just a few minutes. I hope you liked this video and found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.